Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again for a new video, and today I'll be doing how I install my lace frontal. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click that notification bell. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my lace frontal. I got this curly wig from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down below and everything I use in this video. How the wig looks, but I have dyed it black and lost the curl patterns, of course, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that all in this video. So I'm gonna get right into it. I got my wig cap on. I've applied a bit of foundation to the front of it already. The wig does come in with a bit of clips as well, if you can see. And I like to apply a bit of foundation to my frontal as well. To apply a bit of foundation there, so I tend to just use, you know, the basic ones, any shade that kind of fits into you, and like just get a brush as well and then apply it to it. Let's get this into it. Right, so this is how it looks on. So I've just literally got a bit closer to the camera so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So this is what it looks like it's on. I like to take a clip just to like comb back the hair as well, so I can see how I want to position it. Okay, now. Right, so it fits my head nice and snug. So I'm just going to go in here with my hot comb just to flatten out the edges a bit. This is definitely a must-have or something similar. I'm now going to be using a sharp scissors and a razor to cut my frontal. I tend to cut the lace in a jagged motion just to define the hairline. This is how I've cut the frontal. It's more like in a jagged motion as well, so you can see there. And then I'm going to go in with my Got To Be spray. Okay guys, so I'm back again. So I've done a bit of baby hairs, don't normally do, and I've glued down my frontal, and now it's time for me to style it. Okay, so I like to use my spray bottle, just water in there and just wet the hair a bit. This is a really good bottle. I got it from IKEA. I'll drop the link down below. So I like to put my hair into a bit of sections whilst I do the curl patterns, just to define the curls a little bit. So just so I can define the curls a little bit. So it's nice and wet. So I like to go in with my curl activator, soft and free. Do coconut curling cream as well. I just like using this because it smells like coconuts, and girl, you know when they're leaping in for a nice big hug and you're like, oh, you smell nice. That's the trick. Look at those curls. Oh my god, and that's only just the beginning. Okay. Now, going in with my curling custard cream from CANTU. Now, I just love this. Like, it smells so good. I love the fact that it smells of coconut. Girl. Okay. And then let's just do the top now. Oh my god, guys. Now, tell me this is not pretty. Look at those curls. Look at those curls. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation just to define my part in a little bit more. This is the finished look, guys. Tell me what you think. Please leave some comments down below and click thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this. Affordable wigs at Amazon. This didn't cost me too much either. It cost me about £80 and it's 16-inch just down here, and looks quite cute actually. I'm quite feeling it. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. See you in my next video, guys. See you guys.